Hello, Mr. Marcel. How are you?
Hi, I'm very fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Marcel Anderson. I'm from Germany. I just recently finished the mentorship with Mr. Aziz, and I really like the approach of his trading style, fractal geometry. It really helped me to gain a lot of new insights on the financial markets.
Okay, very nice. So, can you please tell us a little bit about your background and trading experience before joining Simple Fractals Mentorship? What strategies you use it to trade with?
Yeah, sure. I was trading for around 3 years before that.
Okay,
So before I took the mentorship, I was just using simple market structure and also was trading some ICT concepts and also doing pitchforks.
okay.
Um, yeah, that was my trading experience before I took the course.
Okay, so and when you see simple fractals on YouTube or I don't know on Telegram, what attracted you to our fractal geometry analysis method?
So what attracted me to it was like uh, the simplicity of the trading method and also um, the approach how you forecast the price movements based on self-similar patterns in the past that you can recognize on a smaller time frame, and so you can forecast the price on a bigger scale.
Okay, very good. Yeah, and this is the idea that people try to, as I speak before, people try to make some fancy analysis, try to make things very, very hard on the chart. But actually, the chart is making money from the charts is easier than this. You just need simple methodology that you follow each time you open the chart in every time, and you take your position. You will accept the loss gladly, of course. There is losses always. There is not 100% strategy. There is some losses, but I will try always to keep my losses very small against my profits. So, and how was your experience during the mentorship? The learning curve where was steep, or did you find the material accessible?
Yeah, both. So the learning curve was very steep. You always had like clear explanations. Always when I was asking something and I didn't understand something from the previous session, we could go back to the previous session and you gave me another explanation of it and put it in different words so I could understand. And it was not hard to get the concepts,
Yeah.
and you always explained it with clear words. So it was always a very good lesson, and I learned it pretty quickly.
Yeah, so yeah, the idea is that depends always on the student, okay? Especially from the first session, I always ask you guys to send some examples about what you learned the first session. I remember that your examples from the first session was pretty good. This is very important that also sometimes the IQ of the students play an important role on the education system. So I think that you were very, very smart guy at the beginning. I like the examples from the first session, and it was very, very smooth, especially for me, that I was able to give you the information and the ideas in a simple way. So it wasn't that hard. So, how did the concepts of fractal geometry change your perspective on trading and market analysis? Because you told me that you were using ICT concepts and some market structure. So, how you feel the difference between what you have used to trade with and now with fractal geometry?
So before I was trading like just identifying a small wave or a smaller trend, and now I see it on a bigger scale, and I can see different movements, how they interact with each other, also in different time scales and time frames. So it was very helpful to. I mean, in the first, I didn't see the fractals at all, but after I practiced it a bit more, and after you introduced me to the concepts, I was getting better at recognizing the fractals and seeing then the market moving in a bigger scale. But what it helped was like I can see not only a small wave evolving, but a bigger, like on a bigger scale, I can see the movements, how they interact with each other, and how the prices are moving at the time. I'm looking at the charts even before the movement happens. I can also like forecast and plan my trade. So this is very helpful.
Okay, very nice. So, did you find any problems during the mentorship with the support or scheduling the sessions? Do you have any suggestions that you can give it to us so we can improve our services?
No, I was always happy with the support when you asked a question or you wanted to reschedule. It was always easy to find a new appointment. Even if you have a tight schedule, you can have your sessions. I had my sessions in the evening because I was working during the days and also on weekends, so it was pretty smooth. So the whole support was always super responsive. When I asked the question, I got the answer, sometimes in minutes, sometimes it took half an hour, but always very high response rate.
Yes, very nice. So, what do you think also about the indicator? Because we see so many indicators now on the financial markets industry, but most of them are just like indicators. Okay, they just give you information about what happens on the past. So, how you can rate your experience with the fractal level indicator? Is it really helpful, or just as some people said, just two vertical lines and two horizontal lines on the chart? They don't have any meaning.
No, I think the beauty is because it's just two horizontal lines and two vertical lines, it makes it simple and it's easy to handle in practice. And
Yes.
it's pretty accurate because it helps you a lot to locate the fractal, or you get the range and you can locate the fractal. It's very helpful and saves you a lot of time. And for sure, you have to train your eye and still practice, but the indicator is very helpful in locating the fractal and it saves you a lot of time. And the beauty about it is also that yeah, that it's science backed. So
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, because people don't understand that the two lines they see just two simple lines on the chart, but they don't know that there is a lot of complicated and sophisticated mathematical functions behind
yeah,
this, as we explained on the first and the second sessions, the Weierstrass function, the Mandelbrot set equations, and the Hurst exponent, rescaled range analysis, all these topics. So always our goal is to make things simple. So people when people see this simplicity on the charts, they think that it's not accurate. But as I told you, we don't need a lot of complicated things so we can make money on the charts. It's very easy. Just I need to have the right methodology when I come to the chart.
yeah.
So also, we have a lot of complaints from many people that said that the price of the program is overrated. So, do you think that actually the program is worth the investment, or it's just overrated?
I don't think it's you find other programs that are way more expensive than this program, and I've never seen a program or any other course giving me in such a small amount of time so many new insights of the market. So I don't think it's overvalued. So you really get something for the money you pay, and I don't think it's super expensive if I compare it to any other program on the market. It's a very fair price.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. So, yeah, the idea that even most of the students, when we finish the program, it didn't finish just in just 1 month. We're still in touch with many students after 1 month because it's not that hard to respond to someone and solve a little problem. It will not take you so much time. Also, as I said, that this is not that you will not lose your money or just give it to someone else. You will invest to learn. Okay, and this is very important. People don't like to invest. People can pay for iPhone 16 that they will come the next month, like $1,000 or $1,500, but they will not just pay and invest for education and then make returns from this investments. And this is actually bad attitude or bad mindset. So, if you had to describe your experience with the simple fractals from the mentorship, the indicator, the information that you get, the edge that you have now, right now on the markets, in one sentence, what would it be?
It's very simple, straightforward, and you really get what you are asking for.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. I was very happy to be with you during the mentorship. I'm happy to know such kind people like you. I think that when I will come to Germany, we should meet right there, should have a coffee together and discuss
Yeah.
about some fractal geometry. Uh, we should make this. So right here we are on the Ethereum USD chart. Can you zoom out a little bit, please, on the chart? So okay, you have replay mode right here. Just turn it off. Okay, so just zoom out a little bit. You see the trade that I take it yesterday. So just change the Ethereum USDT, change it so we USDT, because so we avoid these gaps on the chart. This one from here. Yeah, just add the T. So add the T right here, Ethereum USDT, so we can go out from these gaps.
Which one?
Yes, this one. Okay, very good. So yesterday, I don't know if you see this or no, I take a short position from here, always short position on the Ethereum USDT yesterday. So can you please come right here to the chart and try to find the fractal, which one I take it? You can also use the indicator, there is no problem with this.
Yeah, let me go in replay mode.
Okay.
So what I can see is like we're moving in a sideways market,
Okay.
and I'm thinking maybe we deal with the equal low model or child wave, mother wave model.
Okay.
And if I see the indicator, it gave me the
So
range.
if you go back a little bit, right here, you just got the price right here. So you can see that you have the range right now, you have your range, okay? Try to zoom out a little bit so you can see all the movement on the chart, okay? So right here you have the fractal level indicator has located this range right here, okay? This range right here. So it should have a fractal right here, right? You should have a fractal. So from this movement, I don't think that there is a high probability that I find the fractal right there, okay? So you can think right here about like a Y model, you can think about trend-child wave model, okay? So what you can see,
So I can see like we're moving here in a Y model movement.
okay, very good.
So here as well.
Yes, as a psychology of the
Here as
trend,
well. So
yes.
as
Yeah,
the psychology of the trend, I think we could have this Y movement here.
yes. And
So
especially if you pay attention to this triangle right here, it's the same one right here, okay? So you can, this was our fractal. The breakout right here was the same breakout later right here. And then we take the short position, the same short position right here. So if you can cut the fractal, the Y model. Okay, and scale it the right way. Very good. So that was the idea that I have already. The Y model is on my range right here at the beginning of my range. And as a psychology, as you said, there is always right here a higher high in every movement or in every range right here. So I was expecting that I will have this movement. Okay, is it clear?
yeah.
Okay. So that's it all. Thank you so much that you accept the invitation to have the interview with us. I hope you more success with fractal geometry. As I told you, if you have always any problem, any issue, just contact us. And another time, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.